Now, after a lot of faffing, I've got to put another one of these in. Where's another pink one? Another pink one. Let's have another pink one. It's all the same. And right, we'll slide that in. Oh, fuck it. Where'd that go? Oh, there it is. Right, we'll slide that in there like that. Yeah, and lower that down. Now, Alexa, make me a long espresso.
Of course. Can I ask you for a favour? When the coffee is ready, lift the lever so the capsule drops into the drawer.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. And it's making it. Look. God, I'm going to have an orgasm. Marvellous. Well, it needs to be long. I can piss faster than this thing. Is that it? Is that a long espresso? Oh. Yeah. Well, I'm fucked. I've got to have milk now. That's not fair, is it? Right. I've got to find something to fill this fucking cup up. Okay, right. I've got to go now anyway. Good night, thank you.